In under 5 minutes, I will show you how to build your own mobile app for free with no coding. Let me show you how simple this has become. I'm opening Emergent. I will sign in. Now I just describe the app I want, which is a salary growth calculator with inputs, with a chart, with clean UI. I paste the prompt and run it. And that's it. The app is already generated, no code, no setup, no frameworks. I can preview it here, or I can scan this code using Expo. And now the app is running on my phone. This is a real mobile app. Now let's try the same thing with another AI tool called Lovable. Same idea, same app, different AI. I paste the same prompt, and just like that, it builds it again. No changes, no tweaks, same input. But look at this, different style, cleaner layout, more polished. This already feels like something you could ship to the App Store. And this is the power of AI app builders. You are not just creating apps, you are choosing designs, styles, and experiences instantly. So in minutes, I now have two working apps, built by two different AIs, without writing a single line of code. This is not a demo, this is real. If you want to try this yourself, I have added my referral links below. They give you free credits to start experimenting. Drop your idea in the comments. I will build one live in my next video. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial, from writing the perfect prompt to polishing the UI and publishing the app, just comment detailed below.